If you're looking kinda hot, but your hair is not, gotta Ronsay TV. If you wanna be on fleek with your
Hi guys, so for this tutorial today we are going to be using the braided hair from Expressions. I have two colors here. You're gonna see all of this in the description box below. For now, what you see me do is just dipping the hair in hot water, and once I've done that, the hair is dry and this is what the hair looks like. So I'm just gonna comb the hair through, and it has this smooth silk kind of look, as you can see. I am now going to use this hair. Oh my god, look at it. Look at this. Yes. I'm now going to section the hair like so, and I'm going to use my rag to wrap this hair. So you can actually use, if you have like a stick, a thicker one, or you can use a rod, a rag, whatever it is that you have. First, I'm going to place the hair like so you guys can see. Then I'm going to wrap it once and hold it tight so that the hair doesn't slip. Okay, make sure you hold it tight, and then I'm just going to go and wrap till the one end. As you guys can see, this is what I'm gonna do. And when I'm done on this side, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Oh, baby girl, you are the one, only one for me, and I go always treat you right, right from wrong. Oh, baby girl, you are the one, only one for me, and I go always treat you right, right from wrong, baby. Me, I go always treat you. So now once you're done wrapping, this is what it should look like. You should have it looking like this.
Yeah, baby. You know I love you. Yeah, it's me not in church, I go turn you wrong to right. Treat you nice and make you feel alright. Yeah, you not the true love, it's on me hot girl. You not the start, now me not the hand. This with straight love, and I go ever bend. I swear, girl, to me book and pen. This not true love, and I go ever hand. So me and you not the one without end. I let that talk, yeah, me and you no go pass yo. Money in the bank, I go spend no doubt yo. I get the cheddar for put you up that sour. Play with you and water you like flower. Cause you know the love every day I can admire. For text roll with you, I don't go tired. Cause you know the one way I don't put on me agenda. Love you understanding, on the radio. Baby girl, I love you. I don't wanna miss you. I just wanna be right by your side till that door spot girl. No, I don't wanna break your heart, no, no. I don't wanna.
So now I'm going to add the boiled water on a bowl, and after that I'm going to just add a little conditioner in there. Make sure that I, like you see, just mixing it up a little bit, and then I'm going to use that and pour it all over the hair, and I'm going to leave it to dry once I'm done. Now the hair is dried and it's time to unwrap it. Just look at this. It turned out so beautifully. I love this result. Honestly, this hair, I am definitely gonna make a wig out of this hair, and you guys will see how this will turn out, because it already looks so beautiful already, so bouncy, as you guys can see, very smooth, and I love it. I just hope you guys enjoy this video today. Make sure you share this video if you care, like, subscribe to this channel if you're not, and you're definitely gonna see more videos. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.
Nothing else that will ever make I miss you. Me and you, girl, I go don't choose me. It's back, baby girl, I go die for you. Love don't tight, you know go ever slack yo. Left and right, girl, I'm here, you the swagger. Oh baby girl, you are the one, only one for me, and I go always treat you right, right from wrong. Oh baby girl, you are the one, only one for me, and I go always treat you right, right from wrong. Oh baby girl, you are the one, only one for me, and I go always treat you right, right from wrong. Oh baby girl, you are the one. I love you. Yeah. If me not in church, I go turn you wrong to right. Treat you nice and make you feel alright. Yeah, you not the true love. Inside me heart, girl. You not the start, now me not the hand. This with straight love, I not go ever bend. I swear, girl, to me book and pen. This not true love, I not go ever hand. Yo. So me and you not the one without end. I let that talk, yeah, me and you no go pass, yo. Money in the bank, I go spend, no doubt, yo. I get the cheddar for put you up that sour. Play with you and what are you left flower? Cause you know the love every day I can admire. For text roll with you, I don't go tired. Cause you know the one way I don't put on me agenda. Love you understanding, on the radio.
Baby girl,